I wanted to show people the gift card feature because it's kind of an underutilized feature. And gift cards in Rezgo are free to create, just to point out for everyone. And it's a really good upselling feature during the low season, just to keep revenue coming into your business. So gift cards you can create, and if you attach a payment gateway in your account, it's going to automatically enable gift cards, just depending on what gateway you're using. So if you want to turn that on and off, it's in system configurations, and there's a gift card management here, allow on front end. And what that does basically is it just puts this button up in the top right hand corner, and then you can go in and you can customize these amounts as well from down here. So you can set up your own amounts if you want to lower the amount that gift cards can be created for. You can also add an expiry. With gift cards though, it's worth pointing out, every region kind of has different restrictions based on, say, expiries, and if you offer refunds, things like that. So it's worth checking out what's allowed in your locality. But that's just to point out that you can do that. With gift cards as well, so we've added this feature in gift cards. Like all of your notifications, it can be edited. And this is the notification that goes to the recipient of the gift card. By default, it's a little bit bland, and you can add whatever you want to this, but we have created some custom templates that can be really nice just to add, especially in the upcoming weeks coming up to the holidays. You could just add a theme here called Happy Holidays, and it just automatically applies this to the gift card. So that's what your customer sees, and we've kind of seen ourselves that there's a much more higher conversion if it's a bit more of a personalized gift card, and if it's a bit nicer, they'll go through it, they'll make a booking on your website. So that's what we're pointing out. So if you want to learn more about gift cards, let us know. If it's not in your account, it could be to do with your gateway. So just reach out to the customer success team and we can advise you on gift cards.